Okay, we good? Are we gonna record? Ready? James, are you ready? You're completely distracted, aren't you? Hey, it's Joseph here. I've got a few extra people here today who's extremely distracted by the fact that the camera focuses on their faces versus mine. Today we are going to talk about a very specific product which I wanted to involve some of my family members, so we decided to have a video like this. So that is how the whole video is going to be like. So I need some of your help. Yuna, do you see a white box down there? James, do you see a white box here?
Yeah.
Over there? Can you bring one each? Yes, thank you. Okay, so we've got these two boxes over here, and actually they are exactly the same thing. So this one is called, can you read this for me, Yuna?
Gymba Board.
So imovr have sent me these products for me to test out and showcase. So we're quite excited for this. But also they make standing desks such as desk that is over here, as well as my main desk over there. I have showcased their desks many times on my channel, so thank you imovr for continued support and willingness to showcase products with me. Yeah, let's go ahead and unbox and test out what this is. So guys, we're gonna move a couple of things off the desk, open these boxes. Shall we do that?
Yeah.
So could you move the keyboards and the pictures?
It says Gymba Board for active standing.
Okay, and the other ones are other languages. Where is it made from? Do you know?
It's made in Finland.
Do you know where Finland is?
I think it's a big country or a small country, and I think it's far away because I have never heard of Finland in the United States.
Okay, and what about that one? What does that say?
It says package includes 2 Gymba massage balls to active futsal. I think it's like to massage your foot while like you're standing on this little rubbery board. I think it's made of rubber by the texture of it. I learned a lot of texture in my art class.
What kind of color do you like off of these?
Pink, because pink is one of my favorites.
What about you, James? What color do you like?
Orange, because it's the color of juicy oranges.
Open it up.
Yep. Please put the very pink one.
There's a gray one for both of them.
Yahoo!
Okay.
But it's not heavy as a giant bowling ball, though. It's easy.
So what are you doing over there?
Ooh,
You put the balls on there? And Yuna's doing what?
I'm seesawing like it's a giant seesaw.
What happens if you step on the little ball?
It hurts.
It hurts? Do you think that massages you?
Kind of does.
Yeah? James, what are you doing right now?
Getting the stones on the very own space.
What happens if you flip the board?
Let me check. It's soft.
But I like it when it's sea salt.
Yeah?
I like it when it's soft. It's easy to stand.
Aside from my kids having a ton of fun, Gymba is actually an ergonomic balance board that was designed to be used at a standing desk. It can be used in different ways such as balancing, maintaining walking motion, stretching, and occasional distraction for your kids. I work a long time in front of desks, and standing for a prolonged period can introduce quite a lot of fatigue on my legs. Maintaining a bit of motion and activity certainly helps to keep blood flowing and not as fatigued. I find the subtle motions are not as distracting to reduce my productivity, and I can push my legs alternatively to keep the static walking motion, and I find it really helpful refreshing the muscles. You can easily rotate the board to change the direction to front and back, or even flip it for some calf stretches. And as I don't wear shoes indoors, I can easily use the massage balls too. Gymba is sold on both Amazon and imovr's website, and I was provided with $30 off coupon code GYMBA30 that you can use if you choose to shop on their website. I'll leave the links in the description along with the code. What kind of dance is that?
The Gymba Board dance. The Gymba Board dance. The Gymba Board dance. This is going side to side. Nah, nah. crayon. It's like a real.
Multicolored pencil with many drawings. That was good. And these are kind of Spinosaurus. More chances. And then I'm going to turn you into Goo! Fairy and she said, well, but the foo-foo, I don't want to see you. Bop them on the head. Down came the boo.
You guys could see yourselves?
I can see myself.
I can too.
Going up.
So what do you guys think about the Gymba?
We love it.
It feels like I'm on a seesaw.
What about you? Let's try this.
Seesaw.
Now it feels like I'm on a wiggly motorcycle.
I think kids had lots of fun swaying side to side on this Gymba board. It is a board for occasional stretching and swaying side to side, the balance board that you can use while standing. And if you have liked it, then I'll also leave the link in the description for you guys to go ahead and purchase. And if you have liked this content, please like this video and consider subscribing to this channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching as always, and thank you guys for paying somewhat of attention, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
We're gonna try to pay attention on next video.
Bye.
Cheerio.
1, 2.